You guys have been wanting to see more of my personal investments, things that I myself have been putting my money towards in the hopes that I will follow in the footsteps of the great Warren Buffett and make that nice return on investments on the things that I invest my capital into. So that's basically what we're going to be doing in this video, going over my top pick for an underrated investment that I do predict to earn you a lot of money in the future. Let's get into it. What is going on, you guys? Salvador here, and I'm back again with another investment video. I consider this a part 1.5 on the series How to Make Easy Money, where basically we talk about how to make easy money. You know what, I'm just going to show you guys my investment. 3, 2, 1, boom. You might have seen this bad boy. It's no stranger to this channel, but it is a Champions Path Elite Trainer box that I recently just purchased. You know, it was a pre-order from JB Hi-Fi. They I think they made this live around November, which was a pretty awkward time to have a restock, because since the second wave was set to drop around January of next year, I secured a pre-order there as well. So there's actually going to be 2 boxes coming in, so you know I'm not messing around here. A ton of my friends weren't as lucky. They got their shipments delayed, but you know, we don't lose here. Knock on wood. You guys might be a bit confused. You're like, hey, I've seen you open like a ton of these. I actually bought 2 of them. I opened one of the channel, and of course, as you guys know, or if you guys didn't know, we pulled the shiny Charizard, the full art. That was probably one of the most gassed moments of this year for me. But yeah, we do have this Elite Trainer box. It is factory sealed. I have not opened it yet, and I do not intend to, just because obviously I have all of the main cards I need for the Champions Path set. I have all 3 of the Charizard, so you know, it's not really practical and a wise investment for me to open this, especially since I got them for retail and they currently resell for, you know, 200 Australian dollars. That's, you know, the constant selling price that they've been selling for, and that is a pretty impressive return on investment at 100%, because these retail for $100. So that is very impressive. And yeah, let's get on to why I think that this box is going to be a very good investment. So basically, let's go over what this box contains. It contains 10 packs of the Champions Path set, and those 10 packs are basically going for around $12 each anyway on the aftermarket. So that's basically $120 worth of packs inside here. And there's also the Charizard Promo that comes out from the Champions Path ETB. This is exclusive to the Champions Path ETB. You cannot get this anywhere else. You can't pack it. It's only exclusive to the Champions Path ETB. That's why people buy these in its own right. It's a Charizard Promo first and foremost, and these currently resell for, I think, around 40 to 60 Australian dollars. I have mine in its plastic case from Ultra Pro. I do have one currently at PSA right now. It's being graded as alongside with my VMAX Rainbow Rare Charizard and also the shiny Charizard V. I chose the better of the 2 to go and sent to get graded, because obviously grading fees were a bit expensive. So I'm like, do I really want 2 of them? So I was just like, nah, I just need 1 graded. So I sent the better of the 2 over to get graded, so in the hopes of getting a PSA 10 alongside with the shiny Charizard. You know what, I'm waffling over here. The reason why I think that these are going to be a good investment is because there are past sets called Hidden Fates, which is regarded as one of the best modern day sets. The Elite Trainer box versions went for around 400 to 500 Australian dollars. That was like a year after the drop, and that only had 1 really true hit card, you know, alongside with the shiny Volt, you know, the shiny full arts and all that. But there was 1 shiny Charizard GX that was in that set that currently goes for around 1,000 Australian dollars in raw condition, and obviously significantly higher depending on the grade that it receives from grading services like BGS or PSA. So that is very impressive as well, but that cost a lot. And of course they had, like, you know, a promo card as well with the legendary trio birds. But for these to have the promo card to be a Charizard, for them to have 2 very sought after Charizards in this box, I do think that this is going to overtake the Hidden Fates boxes. I definitely see that happening, just because look at them, there's so much potential in these boxes, and I do think that these are going to match the Hidden Fates boxes, and I think that these are going to be $500 boxes in the near future, because you can grade this. You can grade the promo card that comes guaranteed inside the box. If this gets a 10, you're looking at $400 for this card. So that's basically twice the resale prices that this card is going for currently. So that's very impressive, and this is why I think that this is going to be such a good investment, because you can't lose, especially if you know, get the card spend like $20-$30 to get this graded in the economy route and then wait like 5 months to get this back, it'll be worth maybe a $400 to $500 card. Who knows by the time you get it back? So it's very interesting to see where these cards will go in the future, especially, you know, with all the hype that's surrounding these Charizards, because there's 2 Charizards you can pack alongside with all of the secret rares, full arts, rainbow rares and all that. It's just a very hyped you know, set, and I do think that this has very good potential in the long term when it comes to investing in these Pokemon card boxes. I do think my escapade of opening these Champions Path boxes is finally over. I already have all the Charizards, don't really need more, but doesn't mean that I can't resell or invest in these boxes. I will keep one sealed and I will sell one, but yeah, hopefully the temptation doesn't come over me and I don't open the boxes and get absolutely nothing. But who knows, there might be another Charizard in here. There's only one way to find out. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for my video. You can find a ton of links to pre-orders that are currently available for the second shipment of Champions Path ETBs, which will be happening in January 20 of next year. Good luck, you guys. I'll leave links down below as well, but this is definitely promising and has great potential in the long term for Pokemon card investing. At 200 bucks, it's pretty much a steal. It's one of the best artworks as well for ETBs, and it contains some of the best cards that we've seen in a while. Just can't get over all of my cards that are PSA currently. I will do a grading submission return when, you know, when they come back. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. That pretty much wraps up this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Take care, peace out.